afternoon, guys. Welcome. We have one person watching. Alright, let's wait a little while, see if any more people join, and we'll begin. Alright, guys, do me a favor. Comment in the video's post that you're present, okay? So instead of this one, comment on this post right here. Tell me you're present here, because this chat is only temporary. Alright? Alright, we're up to 7 people now. Alright, feel free to ask any questions in the chat while we wait, see if anybody else will join us. Essentially, every time I live stream like this, you will hear me, which I hope you guys can hear me now. Can you? Good. Alright, so let's wait a minute, see if anybody else joins. Right now we're at about 7 people watching based on this counter here. Alright. Alright. One thing to note is right now I am streaming live, so you guys are hearing me live, but when it comes to YouTube, it takes about 10 seconds for my stream to hit the YouTube servers and for you guys to get that video being downloaded to your devices. So when you're hearing my voice now, it's actually after 10 seconds when I actually said or spoke. Right? You can't do anything about it. Obviously, it takes some time for videos to upload, and it'll take some time for the video to download to your devices, right? So if you have a question and I don't answer right away, just wait a little while. It might be that I am answering it, but due to that little delay, you might just have to wait a little while. Well, we're up to 10 viewers now. How is the sound, guys? Is it loud enough? Is it too quiet? Do you need me to speak louder? As far as assignment goes for today, no. Just the one that's up now. The assignment that I gave you today is a simple one, just like last week. All you have to do is input your name, input your class, input your last name. Let's open it. Alright, this is pretty much it for today. Every time an assignment is due, which is gonna be every time we meet, I'll have it structured like this. You enter your first name, your last name, and then your class. And at the bottom of this will be the links for either Google Sheets, remember how I showed you to copy and paste, or the section for you to upload your Excel file. Alright, for Israel's sake, let's do this. There you go, Israel. Israel, add the code BICTQEQ. Alright, that should work now. It's good that you found the video, Israel, even though you don't have the link, the code. Alright, so as we were saying last week, the stream will be our main contact point. All posts will be done here. If it's a video, open the video post and it will have a link to the video that was presented on that day. Same goes for assignment. You open your assignments and the form should be there. You click on it and it's gonna take you straight to the form for you to submit a response. So last week I showed you guys mainly, well, pretty much the overall structure of how this class will be conducted. Nothing changes. Everything else is the same. When it comes to emails, once again, make sure you use the link below here where it says my email address. Click on the name here and you should have the email open up for you, ready to write. Remember to follow the structure that I laid out here. Structure should be assignment, the class, and name if you're asking questions about the assignment. Absent, if you were absent for a day, just let me know. Or any other concerns, put it in all caps, in one word, and then the class and the name. That way it does not get lost in all these 250 emails from just today. So that's the purpose of the structure, just so I don't overlook your emails. Alright, as far as the, which one was it? I saw a question here. Yeah, to upload the Google Sheet links, I'll go to the assignment that I posted last week. Alright, which is this one here. This was posted as just an example, so I didn't really need you guys to turn this one in, but if you did, that's fine. As far as the Google Sheet link goes, you'll paste the link here, and if you're not using Google Sheets and you're using Excel, you add the file here, which I will showcase that in a minute. But again, I just want everyone to be on the same page for now. All communications in terms of content and videos will be posted from here. Make sure you comment in the video post that you are present, like these guys here. You notice the video doesn't allow for the comments. I think it's until after the video gets uploaded as a permanent video. I think then it's when they add the comments. I'm not sure. But like I said last week, if you can't add comments, post present on this video post here. And you can do the same for all video posts going forward. Alright. So everything will be delivered through the Google Stream here. If you want to see the classwork easier so that it's not covered with all the streams, you can go to where it says classwork and it will structure each post for you based on the date it was posted. Alright. For those of you who are asking about bathroom or breaks and so forth, again, you have to remember that the beauty about online classes is if you need to go and do something, you get up, you go do it, and then you come back and join us in class, right? At the very least, if you have to move, if you have to sign off for some reason, that's why we're using YouTube. The videos, after they've been streamed live, will be able to be rewatched through the same link that I gave you guys. So these were the classes that I taught today, 1C, 1F, 3C. You guys are my last class for today. You're noticing that with your video it's live, but with all the other videos they are right here. All you have to do is use the same link that I posted in the Google class and just click on the video. It will show you the same video that we're covering today. And if you miss out on something, just open the video, watch it again, and fast forward to the place that you didn't hear or maybe you missed out on, right? That's why I'm using YouTube as my platform to live stream. That's why we can do both live stream with questions with the little chat here, so you can add questions here, right? Or if you don't have the time, you come back, watch the video, and try and get all the information that you can from rewatching the video, because I won't be on live stream when you're late or when after the time that this video is streamed. Okay, so for that you'll need to email me or just watch the video. Maybe the answers that you seek will be spoken, maybe you'll understand after you watch it once more. Alright, so do the assignment, the one for today, which is just to put your name, your last name, your first name, and the class. As far as people who are using Excel goes, make sure for the future assignments you add your file here. If you're using Excel, again, I'll show you one more time. You save your file. I'll save it on desktop. If you must upload your Excel file, click on upload, select files from your device, look for the file, select it, click upload. Once it's uploaded, it's very important you click submit. If you don't submit, I will not get your response and I won't be able to check your assignments. So make sure you submit. Alright, the first one today isn't graded. I just want you to do it both for attendance purposes and just to get you guys used to, you know, typing out the responses for these assignments. The more we use this, the more familiar it becomes and the easier it becomes to be used. Alright, and I can see the chat is very lively right now. Alright, do it one more time. So if this was the Excel file, and you had done your work, let's say for today we're doing headers for students in the class, so I could put students, and for my headers I could put first name, last name, and class. So let's say for today, if the assignment was to write down everyone's name and class, and we're done, let's say we're done for today, I'd ask you to save the file, save as, select where this file is going to be saved, browse, look for the folder. In this example, I'm saving it on the desktop just so it's easy to find. I already had one that exists, so I'll replace it. Once you saved it, you're good. Come back here. I'm gonna delete that one. Select upload. Select files from your device and choose the Excel file. Once that's up there, you click upload. Once it's done uploading, you'll see the window closes itself and it's ready to submit. You click submit, and once you get the response that says your responses have been recorded, you're good. You don't have to submit again after that. Right? Now we go with the Google Sheets. Some of you might not have Excel, therefore you must search Google Sheets. For the first time, you select the one that says Google Sheets Sign In. As long as you're able to access My Class, that means that you have a Gmail account or some account, for example with my one here, that you're using to access My Class. If you are, then Google Sheets is free. You don't have to pay for it. The only thing is you must be online to work on the sheets. Once you go to the website, click on blank to create a new one, and you just do your work like we've been doing with the Excel file. Right? thing with Google Sheets is it's almost the same as Excel in terms of functionality. It's just that you notice the layout is a little different if you compare this to how the Excel is laid out. You'll notice it's a little bit different. So this is Sheets, this is Excel. The one above here is Sheets, this one is Excel. A little bit different in terms of style, but functionally it's pretty much the same. Put your names here. If this was the exercise for today. Alright. Now, the only difference when it comes to sheets is you must name your sheets accordingly. So if this was my sheet, I put the day, my name, and the class, because if I open this and this isn't here, your name, then I won't know whose paper I'm checking. The last thing you need to do now is you copy this link while your sheet is open, and that's what you'll post instead of the Excel file. So when this is posted, I'll get this, and then I can open your sheet while I'm checking the assignments. When I open the sheet, this is gonna pop up for me, and I can grade you guys using this instead of the Excel file. So any questions so far besides you guys just talking about each other? For whoever is RGamer 2.0, that's the code. Make sure you add yourself to the class using the code. Alright. Make sure you put your name on all the assignments. If you're using an account that doesn't have your name on it, make sure you write out your name when you're commenting here, that you're present. For example, like Ajani, specify your name in the comment. That way I can tell who is who and mark you guys down for attendance. Alright. If you're gonna send me an email, remember the structure for the subject. If not, I'll just overlook it with all of these emails here. Alright. Interesting chats we're having. So we are up to 20 people watching now. That's good. Right now the video upload is a little bit low on health. What that means is, depending on the internet usage, the video will stream normally. Sometimes the video might buffer or lag a little bit. Again, it's just because the connection might be slow. Maybe a lot of people are using the internet. Alright. And again, notice the 10-second delay between my content being uploaded and you actually seeing the content. Yeah, Kalon, what's your question? Got 20 users watching. Like I said, do what you want. You're at home or somewhere. You're not here. You don't have to ask permission. And if you miss out on certain content during the video, make sure you rewatch the video and skip to the parts that you missed. Alright? That's the beauty of having videos on YouTube. That's the beauty of having the videos stored online, so you can come and watch it anytime you want. Alright, after each video, I'll be online still for at least a good 5-10 minutes. You can still answer in the chat, right? While I'm not streaming anymore, you can still answer in the chat and I can still answer back. Alright? And again, remember I said this to the beginning of the class, that there's a 10-second delay when I'm talking and for that to reach your device. So if I'm not answering you right away when I'm talking, give it a minute, give it like 10 seconds and you should get the response by then. Alright? Remember, we're dealing with internet connections and so forth, so you gotta account for upload time and download time. And again, I might need to mute some people, right? Or put user in timeout. But for today, you guys know what to do. Do the assignment. Alright, read the comments, read the chats. Yes, Kalon, go ahead. Well, just the fact that I'm answering your question, Kalon, I think that's a shout out in itself. Alright, so next 2 weeks, well, tomorrow, if I don't have you guys tomorrow. Well, the following days coming, make sure you have spreadsheets, sheets open before class starts, or make sure you have your Excel file ready, alright? What else? Yep. I think that's about it. Make sure you upload your files. Make sure you copy the link to your spreadsheet if you're not using Excel. What else? Again, this video will be online, so you can watch it anytime you want. If you have any questions outside of our class time, which is live stream time, send me an email. I'll try and answer back. I think that's about it for today. If we don't have any more questions, like actual questions relating to the class and the topic, I'll end this stream. So make sure you do the assignment, enter your name, last name, class. Hopefully everybody has the class code now. If not, here it is. Alright. That's funny, Ronan. I don't know. I guess all those subs are different students that I teach. Alright, so get ready next class. All contents will be posted as day 1, day 2, day 3, depending on how many times we meet. So if I post day 2 assignment and then video day 2, that doesn't mean that we met on Tuesday. It just means that that's the second time that we're meeting, okay? That's to keep account for the following days that we have to meet. Because if I use day 1 to represent Monday, then next week it's gonna be Monday again. That's not a good way to track the days that we meet. So it's always going to be ascending from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth. Alright? Not get Corona, alright. When will Corona finish? I don't have the answer to that. Go play Zombie Royale, alright. Alright guys, if you still have any real questions, I'll still be here reading the chats. I'll be answering back if you have anything else to ask. But I'm gonna bring down the video now. Remember, You can access the video even afterwards using the post with the video link here. If anything else, then have a good Monday. Stay safe. There has been a word that I think it has reached Belize now, so everybody make sure you're safe, right? Try and stay home if you don't have to. Make sure you follow the same sanitary rules and advice that has been given so far. Alright then, guys, have a good Monday. I'll be ending the stream right now. Alright guys, later.